Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Nilo no no Wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, and I make a load. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Maz. Chakon, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and this is another installment of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. You already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back their identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. All right, so let's get a round of applause for Leslie. That's right. Okay, so thanks a lot, Leslie. So Leslie sent in her name for this Igbo Name of the Day request. And one of the things that stuck out to me when she described her personality is that she said that she's a perfectionist. So I'm going to give her the name Chimezu. Come on, say that with me. Chimezu. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So, Chi in this context means God. Me means like to do, and Zuru means enough or complete. So when you put everything together, it means Chimezu. God has completed the work He started in me, or God has completed me, right? So basically, the reason why I gave her that name is because she said she's a perfectionist, and God is the one who made her a perfectionist, and God allows her to finish everything she started because she's a perfectionist, because God Himself has finished His work in her. All right, so I know that was kind of an interesting one to translate. So, like I said, Chi means God, Me means to do, and in Zulu means enough. So it's like God has done enough, or God has completed what He's done. God has completed His work in me, right? So, Chimezuru's names give them the power to be very professional. They're very effective communicators, and they're very wise. Share this video with all the Chimezurus that you know. Thanks. So, what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Do you think that's a fitting name for her? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video, subscribe, hit the bell button so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Like I said, comment below and share this with all your friends. All right, I really appreciate you guys' support of this YouTube page. So hit my Instagram DM in the description below. Let me know what you have to say about these videos. If you want me to change something, add anything new. If you would like an Igbo name, hit me up and I can gift you one. If you have an Igbo name, I can feature it on the next episode. Thanks a lot. I will see you in the next episode. Take care.